When it comes to choosing the best CRM for a startup, there are several options to consider. One standout choice is a CRM that offers exceptional functionality and affordability, providing free access to features that can greatly aid in customer management. This particular CRM allows startups to manage marketing, sales, and customer service operations, thereby enhancing productivity and growth. Some of the tools available include Slack integration, user management, company insights, email scheduling, Facebook Messenger integration, and a shared inbox, all of which can be accessed for free, helping to save on costs. Additionally, premium monthly plans are available, ranging from $30 to $5,000 per user, and offer advanced features. Another CRM is ideal for collaborations and teamwork, making it a great choice for startup businesses. This CRM unifies communications from all channels into a single platform, allowing for seamless handling of customer interactions and boosting efficiency. Features such as video and audio conferencing, one-on-one messaging, threaded conversations, chat, and call pop enhance communication and teamwork. The monthly plan for this CRM starts at $30.95 and allows access for up to 4 users. For businesses that rely heavily on a specific ecosystem, such as Google, a different CRM is a good software choice due to its seamless integration with these tools. The user interface is easy to navigate, especially for businesses already using these tools. This CRM allows users to set up their workspace to accommodate records, build custom channels, and automate tasks, simplifying workflow. Integrations include Google Calendar, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Sheets, and other tools, with monthly pricing ranging from $23 to $99 per user. After considering these options, the top pick for the best CRM for startups is the one that offers multiple functions at an affordable price. While the fees associated with these CRMs are current, they are subject to change in the future. Ultimately,